Welcome! In front of me I have Umidigi URUN watch, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this device. Before we start, if you want to set up the alarm clock on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the PiActive application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the PiActive application on our phone. In the application, let's tap on the My icon, select My Device, and then select URUN from the list of devices. Okay, as you can see, the watch is having problems with connecting to a phone, so let's close the app and reopen it and try again. So let's open the app, tap on My Device, select the watch, and this time it connected. It's kinda wonky sometimes, this app is not too good. Anyway, once the watch connects to your phone, on this page, find the option called Widget and App Management, tap on it, then tap on Alarm Clock. And here we can tap on this Add button to add new alarm. And as you can see, we can set up our alarm here. We can set the hour by swiping up and down, minutes, and then we can select the days on which the alarm is gonna be activating. Like that. And once you're done, you can tap on Save. And here we have our alarm clock. Let's add different one by tapping on Add. Maybe this one, and this. So now we have two of them. And we can enable or disable them by tapping on the switch next to them. Also, you can check the alarms on your watch. So if you wake up the screen by pressing upper button, then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Here you have the alarm clock icon, you can tap on it, and you should have the data about the alarms right here, but for some reason it doesn't show up. That's weird. Oh, now it shows up. So that basically the alarm needs to be enabled. Okay, if it's disabled, you won't see it here. One more thing you can do with the alarms is to remove them. So if you want to remove alarms you don't use anymore, you can tap on the edit icon right here in the top right corner. Tap on this minus icon next to the alarm you want to remove, and then tap on the bin icon to remove it, and then OK to confirm. Like this. Okay, and once you're done, you can simply close the app. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.